Good morning and welcome back to the Angry Poolman channel, where we learn how to treat our pool and our pool man. So we're here at the swim up bar, and earlier this week I received a text saying that, and this is the age-old Pentair Mastertemp complaint. Hey, we set the pool to, or the spa, whatever body of water, to whatever. Let's say we set it to 100 and the pool was at 70 and it only gets to 80, and then it fires and then goes off and fires and goes off. So when that happens, I don't really get into a troubleshooting thing. I'm gonna just rejuvenate the whole heater. And right here in the manifold, which is difficult to see because of the many pipes around here, but this manifold here I'm going to take off and I'm going to replace all of the sensors. There is a high limit sensor, there's a gas shutoff, there's a thermistor, I replace them all. And so let's get to it. Okay, so I'm back and I've taken everything apart and I've replaced everything new. Okay, so I'm going to have to use this show you guys with two different cameras. Okay, that's the water pressure. Replace that, unscrew it, put the leads back in. That's the gas shutoff valve. Okay, the sensor on top is the thermistor, and the one on the bottom is the high limit switch. And right now I'm in the process of just replacing the thermostat. So let me go and do that. Okay, so you want to put this cap over the screw and then start it. Of course, it's kind of hard because this spring is fighting against you, but there you go. Finally it'll catch, and then we can go back around to our pry bar, which is a little too big. Let me just screw it on a couple more with my hand. Yeah, and then we can start to tighten it down with I guess I have my other pry bar, but we're almost done. Okay, all put back together, and I feel good about this. Now, I'm gonna be here for a little longer because I gotta make sure that this thing is gonna run and run and run, and I'm gonna make sure that it goes up 15 degrees. I think it's around 66. I wanna see that thing get to, I don't know, 86 or something. And I want it to run continuously. I don't want it to run and then kick off and run and kick off. So once again, we replaced the thermistor, the high limit switch, the gas shutoff valve, the water pressure valve, and then the stacked flue sensor on the other side. Now that's no fun to get out. Trust me, no big deal. But the way your Mastertemp 400 or 250, that for that matter, or your Hayward or your Jandy, it should run and run and run until you reach your set point, not run for a couple of minutes and then kick off and run for a couple of minutes. That means that your sensors have been fouled. Now, another thing that I found in here is look at all the mouse bedding, okay? Tons of mouse bedding in there. So we got a mouse hotel, and you know, they're temporarily evicted, but you know, they'll move back in there. And of course we're going towards the summer. This is our like third day of spring, and yeah, things are looking really good. But anyway, it's spa night tonight.